King Midas, ruler of a prosperous land, possessed more riches than any other king. Yet, deep in his heart, a gnawing discontent lingered, an insatiable thirst for more gold. If only everything I touched could turn to gold, he often mused. Then, truly, I would be content. One day, a mysterious figure appeared before Midas, granting his wish with a sly smile. Overjoyed, Midas rushed to test his newfound power. He touched a stone, and instantly, it transformed into pure gold, gleaming brilliantly in the sunlight. Midas went on a frenzy, turning everything he could lay his hands on into gold. Tables, chairs, tapestries, all became precious metal. He laughed with glee, reveling in his golden kingdom, unaware of the consequences that lay ahead. As hunger gnawed at his stomach, Midas reached for a succulent grape, but as soon as his fingers brushed against it, the grape turned into a hard, inedible nugget of gold. Panic began to set in as he realized he could no longer eat or drink. Just then, Princess Aurelia ran into the room, eager to share a tale with her father. Midas, forgetting his golden touch, embraced his daughter. To his horror, she transformed into a golden statue, her joyful laughter silenced forever. Overwhelmed with grief, Midas knelt beside his golden daughter, tears streaming down his face. "I was a fool," he sobbed. "All the gold in the world is worthless without love and companionship." In his despair, the mysterious figure reappeared, his eyes gleaming with amusement. "Are you finally ready to relinquish your golden touch?" he asked. "Have you learned the true value of life?" Midas, without hesitation, begged to be freed from his curse. He promised to value love, friendship, and the simple joys of life above all else. The mysterious figure smiled and instructed him to wash in the river Pactolus. Midas followed the instructions, and as he splashed the water upon the golden statue of Aurelia, she returned to life, laughing and embracing her father. From that day forward, Midas cherished every moment with his daughter, and learned that true wealth lies not in gold, but in love and gratitude.